What's up guys, Welder here. Today I'm giving my welding machine a custom new look. Let's do it!